We, being in this part of the world, really, we don't realize what's the value of this security. Look at the situation of the people who are living in a state where they don't know when and what time they would be taken away from their homes, or their homes will be taken away from them. There are all of these situations there. There are people in the country as we speak right now who they don't know if they would be able to survive till tomorrow or not. Not because of their strong faith on death and can come any time, that we are supposed to have that also, but it's because of the situation where they are living in. With that type of insecure situation, how much a person can really trust what's going to happen to him, to his family, to his children? You can't let your children out of the home. As soon as children out of the home, parents are constantly making dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Their mind is just stuck with their child. Is she coming back home or not? At the end of the day, we would hear that today they are not coming back home anymore. That's it. They are gone forever. This is a situation that people are living in at this time. Ask those people, what is it that you would pay to earn the security? Believe me, if they have anything of this life, of this world, if they have their castle, large savings, they would be willing to give us all of that in exchange for the security that we have in this part of the world. We know people are paying everything. In fact, millionaires are getting in debt so that they can make it over here. And they would feel lucky to make it over here after spending every penny they own. And then still being in debt while being here, still they feel that they are lucky that they made it here safe. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave it to us for free. اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم. Really, remember Allah's favor upon you. And appreciate it. Value it. I say I can't go to the masjid because it's cold, because it's hot, because I'm tired. Look at the situation over there. For those who can't leave their homes, for those who are, when they are out of the home, they can't go back to their homes. For those who are separated from their families and they don't know where their family members are. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us all of these blessings. Value the blessing. Thank Allah for the blessing. Use it the right way, because no one knows when we will lose it. So, اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم is a big reminder. We shouldn't take it lightly that yes, I know we have all of this and now I'm going to go home and sleep. اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم. Thank Allah. You have hot water, get up, make wudu. You have heating in the house, get up, perform few rak'ah salah. It's just difficult to remove the blanket to get out of the bed. But there are people that are sleeping in that cold. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم. Remember Allah's favor in you. How would a person sleep? How would a person sleep who, when he is in his bed, every minute it's on his head, someone is going to attack me. Someone is going to attack me. I may be attacked any time during the night time, and I will never wake up again. Someone is going to attack my child. Someone is going to attack my family. How would that person sleep?